Hi everyone, I am Nishtha. Welcome to our video of how to install Bagisto on shared hosting, and that too just in 1 minute. Bagisto is a popular open source e-commerce platform that offers a range of features and functionalities for building your online store. In this video, we'll show you an easy and convenient method to install Bagisto using Softaculous. Softaculous is a library that automates the installation of various web applications. Those who are using dedicated hosting can refer to the guide mentioned in the description below. Before knowing more about this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the latest update from us. Now let's get started with installing Bagisto on shared hosting. Here on this panel, you have to log in your account by entering the email and password. Once you have entered the email and password, you have to click on login. In this page, you can see central control panel access is there. You have to click on this C panel. Kindly note, those who are using Plesk can refer to the guide mentioned in the description below. Now in this page, you can search for the Softaculous tools. Click on this. Now on the left hand side, there is a search option. You have to search Bagisto. Click on Bagisto. As you can see, details are there. Bagisto, its version, its release date, and there is the option of install. Once you click on this install option, you have these two options, quick install and custom install. So we'll go for quick install. Here you have to choose the installation URL and you have to give a path. So we'll give Bagisto 8. Now you have to add the admin email, password and the admin username. So there is already an admin email. We're going to copy it so that we can log in with this email ID. Admin password, enter the password. Admin username. Now click on install. You can see it started and it will hardly going to take just 1 minute. You can see how quickly it have been installed. So for checking the Bagisto, you can see it is written, "Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Bagisto has been successfully installed." So this is the link. We'll open this link. Here you can see the demo store of the Bagisto is available. Moving back, the next one is administrative URL. We'll open this as well on the next page. See, by entering the email and password which we have given while installing, we'll be signed in. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Bagisto on your shared hosting account. Now you can start building your online store, adding products and customizing your designs to fit your needs. I hope you found this video helpful. Please press the like button and share your views in the comment section below. If you have any query, doubt or suggestions, feel free to contact us at support@webcool.com, or you can also raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.